Hello you guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. I needed like everything. We went out of town for the week before 4th of July and 4th of July weekend. So we honestly had nothing because we were just like eating whatever we could before we left. So nothing went bad. So a lot of Trader Joe's, like a couple of things from Kroger. I didn't need eggs or milk. We had some left over and then I got milk yesterday. So yeah, let's get into it. So starting with kind of how I always do protein, I got some bacon from Trader Joe's. This is actually one of my favorite bacons. It's so thick, so good. I was looking at this girl on Instagram called Half Baked Harvest, and she did this like corn chicken bake, and it used some bacon, and I didn't have any, so I picked that up, but I couldn't find corn on the cob. I think my dad was saying that it's a little too early in the season still for good corn on the cob, so holding out for that, but we can throw that in the freezer. I just picked up another ground turkey because you just can't go wrong. I cook a lot with this. So this one I got from Kroger. I got 3 things of my smoked turkey breast. I live for this stuff. I'm going to eat probably half a package as soon as I'm done with this because I have not eaten lunch today and I'm starving. A pack of andouille sausage, smoked andouille sausage from Trader Joe's. Again, this is a staple for us. Love it. These pork tenderloins from Trader Joe's, I love these. They're so tender, they're super small, so they cook up really easy. I grabbed 3 of them. Yes, we just at least eat one. So I'm like, I'll just pick up a couple. I really kind of wanted to stock up on meats all at one time, and then I will just have to get produce the next couple rounds. So there's that. I like to get Kroger's chicken just because I can get it in such a huge pack. So this time I'm gonna split it up, and before I freeze it, I'm gonna put it in like little individual bags. Not like probably 2 breasts per bag, because I find we just don't necessarily eat it all, and it'll kind of go bad if I take out that much chicken at a time. And this pack is so much bigger than the last one. There's more pieces. So that's all for protein. For vegetables, I got 4 bell peppers from Trader Joe's. They're just huge, and they don't weigh it by the pound. They just do per individual, so you can just pick the biggest one. I got 2 sweet onions from Trader Joe's. They're doing local zucchini and summer squash, so I picked up local, so it's not in the packaging. I pick up as much local as I can and not in the packaging. But I also am conscious about price, so Trader Joe's just has the best. It's like 70 cents per. So I picked up summer squash as well. 3 avocados at different stages of ripeness. I'll leave these bags listed down below like I always do. But Scott was thinking about making just some cucumber avocado rolls. And then we also have some scallops and king crab in the freezer. Got some cremini mushrooms. The last batch of this I did have to throw away, so I have to make sure that we use those. We very rarely honestly throw away vegetables, so that was, yeah, I need to be better about it this time. These tomatoes I love. I feel like tomatoes, especially in the summer, are just a lot more sweet and good. Good, obviously. I like them with salt and pepper on them, just get kind of chopped in like quarters or whatever. It's been a minute since we picked up some baby broccolini, so I got some baby broccolini or baby broccolini, whatever. Like I said, cucumbers, because Scott wanted to do some rolls, and I like this with like some tahini on it, or better than the bagel, or everything but the bagel seasoning. I decided to get my own like individual bags. I normally get the giant mix from Kroger that's called like Power Greens or whatever, but I decided to try this instead this week, mostly because I just didn't want to go to Kroger, but I ended up going anyways. But I got the mixed baby kale and the baby spinach. I figured I have a giant like I have a giant Tupperware that I figured I could just lay some paper towel in there and put all of the grains in here. And it's a smaller bin than the one from Kroger, so that's what I plan to do with that. I got some romaine hearts just for salads and whatnot throughout the week. I think that's all for veg. Oh, sweet potatoes, bag of sweet potatoes. For fruit, some lemons for lemon water. Raspberries, these just looked really good. Arla's actually not huge into raspberries all of a sudden. I don't know what's going on with that, but these looked really good, so I decided to pick them up. I think it's honestly going to be like the last time, because berries are normally a winter thing and not a summer thing. When we were at my dad's house, he like sucked down grapes like no other. So I got him some red seedless grapes. I don't normally pick up grapes because I'm not a huge fan of them, but Scott likes them as well, so got those. Got some bananas, just a couple. I got some yogurt for Arlo. This is the full fat yogurt or whole milk yogurt. I like to put these in that reusable pouch that I've shared with you guys before, and it works really great. It's super cheap and he likes yogurt. And then I just got some unflavored non-fat Greek yogurt for us. I like using this in place of sour cream, mayonnaise, and then as like parfaits as well. 2 things of my light string cheese. This stuff, I have one like every day. I want one right now. It's so good. And then I also just got some light shredded Mexican and some butter. I just pick up a butter every once in a while. I don't know if we're fully out, but I just grabbed it. I got some Dave's Killer Bread. I get this from Kroger. This is the thin slice. I decided to try a different one. This is the sprouted whole grains instead of the super seed, which is what we normally get. Now into like pantry and frozen stuff. They brought this back again this year, and this one's literally so good. It's Hatch Chili seasoned. So this is the Hatch Chili Cheddar seasoned popcorn. Love, almost poked my eye out, love this stuff. And then this is a new release I've never seen before. I know it's been out for a minute now, but it's been a while since I've been to Trader Joe's. This is the key lime popcorn, so I'm excited to try it. And I really wanted to try the new scent of the body butter that they released, but my Trader Joe's didn't have it, so it's a bummer. Hopefully they will next time. They didn't have my typical large seaweeds, but I haven't had seaweed in so long that I was like, I need it. So I just grabbed this one. I like the other ones better. Some rolled oats. I don't know if we're fully out, but I know we go through them like crazy, so I picked up those. I picked Arlo up some more little pouches. These are just quick and easy for on the go. They're apple strawberry and apple carrot. I don't love to give him these because they're just full like fruit. I like to give him normally like a mix of one. And then I'm thinking, should I just make them myself? Probably. But these are another thing that I got for him. They're this blueberry Waxator bar. They're just like cereal bars, granola bars. They're quick and easy for like snacks throughout the day. I got 3 things of these pea berry coffee from Trader Joe's. This one right here. I got 3 of them. I really like that coffee. So I don't know how long they're gonna keep it around for. They typically like cycle out their like small harvest coffees, so I picked those up while I can still. For canned stuff, because Arlo loves canned vegetables, I got a golden corn, a green bean, and a carrot. And then I picked up 4 things of my tuna from Trader Joe's because I love it for lunch. I picked up a bunch of beans as well because we just didn't have any, so I like to have them on hand. Not really much that I plan to do with them. I just like to have them on hand for when we do use them. So pinto beans, great northern beans. These are really good price from Trader Joe's, so check them out, and they're all organic. Kidney beans, and these 2 are not organic, but the garbanzo bean, they do have organic there, and then Cuban style. Arlo really likes the garbanzo bean ones. For freezer stuff, I got some peas because we're out. You know, my staple, the Gorgonzola a la gnocchi, or gnocchi a la Gorgonzola, whatever. And then this is a new try this week. I'm pretty sure one of y'all recommended this to me. If not, I'll read the comments on my last one and figure out which one, but I decided to try it. It's the carpaccio alla pepe, I don't know, a pepe, whatever. Scott said it, I don't know. But it's basically a cheesy pepper, black pepper pasta. So I thought, we'll try it out and see how it goes because I really love the other one. And then this used to be a staple for me as well. It's the Japanese styled fried rice with edamame tofu and hijiki seaweed. So decided to pick that up. And then waffles for Arlo. I like the blueberry ones. And then last but not least, just a thing of LaCroix. The tangerine is my favorite flavor. So that is everything we got for this week's grocery haul. It ended up being like, I think just $200, which I was surprised because I felt like I got a lot. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.